Bells and Gems. Today I have a new video on this look. It is a get ready with me video, and I used a bunch of new products. Since this is going to be a sped up video, I just want to share some of those products with you guys right now. So I did use a bunch of makeup brushes from Iconic London in this tutorial, and I was super excited about using the brushes that look like this. This is my first time doing it, and I really enjoyed it. I used a bunch of cream foundations and highlighters and contours, so I definitely wanted to try these out because I heard they work really great. So I do have two of these brushes, and they worked really well. I found that using it with light pressure and just blending it onto the skin without lifting it up really did a great job. I also used several of their eyeshadow brushes, and they're really soft, easy to blend your eyeshadow. I really enjoyed this fluffy dome brush. I used this to blend out my contour on my nose. It worked really great. And I smudged out my eyeliner with this little pencil brush that worked really great as well. And I used this angle brush to create this nice cat eye look today. So Iconic London also has makeup products. So I did use some of their makeup products in this tutorial. I used their face primer, and this one is really great at covering your pores. So I used this on my T-zone area where I tend to have more pores. I did not use this highlighter stick, but it's really pretty. I'm going to swatch it for you guys right now. It gives the skin a nice gleam, but just because I used a bunch of cream foundations and contours and highlighters, I didn't want to add this to the mix, but I definitely will be using this in a future makeup tutorial. And I also used their contouring set. Now, the deeper shades were not dark enough for me to contour with, but I used this as a concealer to highlight underneath my eyebrow, and that worked really great. I used a combination of these two, and I really like the consistency. The pigment on these are really great as well. So if any of you are interested in checking out the Iconic London products that I use in this makeup tutorial today, I will have a link down below for you guys. And if I can find a coupon code for you guys, I will also leave that down below as well, because I know y'all love discounts, right? I did use the Hourglass Vanish foundation sticks. These are new, and I use this as foundation, and I also used it to contour my face today. I love, love, love these. Just because I didn't talk in the tutorial, I wanted to talk about some of these products ahead of time, the products that I haven't used before, but the rest of the products y'all have seen me use before, so y'all know I love them. If you want to see how I created this look right here, then you already know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed doing this makeup tutorial. This is a look that y'all requested from one of my last videos. So I hope that you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.